Here we have a 2015 Mercedes Sprinter fridge freezer van. Goes down to -20 if so required. It will act as a chiller and it will also act as a freezer if you put the setting to that. Bodywork on the van is fantastic. You see lots of these Sprinter vans which have dented and bashed. This one has been kept in really clean condition. It's been owned by a leasing company who have leased it to a major supermarket chain for delivering food. As you can see on this one, the bodywork is tidy. Reverse camera at the top. There's no dents, there's no scratches, there's no rust. It's a really tidy looking van. Inside, nice and tidy. Seats don't have any rips in. There are two, as is standard with these automatic Sprinter fridges. You take the middle compartment out. I think it's to do with the pipes for the fridge. So inside, 86,000 miles. I have been running the fridge, so you can see that kick in straight away. This is the compartment, which is this one here from the middle compartment. Chills the whole unit, chills the whole back of the van. I'm not 100% sure how all these settings work, but I'm sure if you have a fleet of these you will understand. It goes down in temperature and you can set it, so this button, and that's set, and then you can keep going down, very different settings, and you can also sit going to minus temperatures. Okay, so the fridge freezer system all works. Engine, it's perfect. No mechanical issues whatsoever. There's no lights on the dashboard apart from obviously low fuel. 86,000. It has just had a new water pump fitted by us. It's had a service. It's had discs and pads all round. So you'll be rest assured if you're buying a van from us, you know that it's been thoroughly checked over. And anything that needed to have been changed has been changed. Radio works fine. Reverse camera kicks in when you put it in reverse. Other thing which I forgot to mention just then was it has also had a new steering rack fitted. So alongside the water pump, service, discs and pads, it has also had a new steering rack. It's a really common issue on these vans. If you hear a clonking noise when you turn the steering wheel, that's a sign that your steering rack is bad. Yeah, it's a common fault on these vans. Everything works in the cab as it should. Indicators. It has just had a brand new MOT by us. So in terms of paperwork, we've got all the Mercedes book packs. We've also got full logbook with 0 former keepers. This is the receipt for the discs and pads. We did have this seat repaired as it was a little bit worn, so it's had discs and pads and a seat replacement. This is the full service, MOT, steering rack, bulbs, handbrake repair. Yes, that is everything. We'll quickly show you in the back. So you can hear the fridge getting cold. It's very cold in the back now. This racking can easily be removed if you didn't want it. It might serve some function for you. Okay, shift boxes, that can be removed. Here it getting nice and cold. Well, you can hear it kicking in the fridge unit. All of the cool air comes from the middle compartment. The van comes with a 1-year warranty, so there's no mileage restrictions with that, just a £1,000 claim limit per claim. It is plus VAT because it's come direct from the lease company. We can arrange finance, we offer free UK delivery, and I would also say take a look at our reviews on Google and you'll get a better idea of what kind of company we are. Any more questions, give our office a call. Our mobile number or our office number is 01753 267 270. Thanks for your time today. Bye bye.